Good morning, everyone. Myself Rohit Kushwaha, and this lecture is for class 12 physics, and the topic of today is electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance of a conductor. Okay. Now there, in last class I have discussed about conductor, that means those in which the electric charge are movable by applying an external field. Then the electrical capacitance. Firstly, you know here that the electrical capacitance of a conductor is the measure of its ability to hold electric charge. Suppose this is a conductor, then what is capacitance? The electrical capacitance of a conductor is the measure of its ability to hold electric charge. That means this is the electrical capacitance is a measure of ability to hold electric charge. That means the ability to hold electric charge inside itself. Then how can you define that? Suppose this is a conductor, and if we connect this conductor by a electrical source or battery V potential, then what will be? You increase voltage V, by which if you increase voltage V, then what happen? The charge inside this conductor will also increase. That means charge Q will or is proportional to null to given voltage. If you remove proportionality sign, then here will be a constant will come C. That means Q equals CV. Then where C is a proportionality constant known as capacitance of conductor. What you learn here, that if we give the electric voltage to any conductor, then the charge will store inside itself, and if we increase the voltage, then charge will increase, and if we decrease the voltage, then charge will decrease. That means charge Q is proportional to or is directly proportional to given voltage V. If you remove this proportionality constant, then Q is equal to CV, where C is a constant known as capacitance of a conductor. Now see here. Then what will we see? Then C is equal to Q upon V. If you apply 1 unit voltage, then what will we see? Then C is equal to Q coulomb. That means the capacitance of a conductor is a charge stored in a capacitance by given a unit voltage. That means, hence, you can see here, hence the capacitance of a conductor may be defined as the charge required to increase the potential of the conductor by unit amount. That means the capacitance of a conductor may be defined as the charge required to increase potential of the conductor by unit amount. If you want to increase unit potential, then you will be given Q charge to the conductor, hence unit voltage will increase. That means the charge of any conductor to increase voltage in unit form is known as electric capacitance. Now see here some extra things. C is equal to Q upon V. Then the SI unit will be of C, Coulomb per volt, or this is also known as Farad. And dimension will be you know that the dimension of Q is equal to IT. That means IA, and the dimension of T is T upon the dimension of voltage is work upon AT. Then the dimension will be M inverse L to the power minus 2 T cube, and one thing T square cancel, and A square. Thank you.